Guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to authenticate from Google Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to authenticate from your Google Authenticator, you just simply have to go into the Google Authenticator and let's say you want to authenticate your Instagram. Now, whenever you log in Instagram to a new device, you will get the option to enter the PIN code. There, you just simply have to copy this code given by the Google Authenticator and it will authenticate your Instagram and you can open your Instagram account into other device. Now the main thing that you have to do is to see the code into your Authenticator application and put the same code without being mistaken into the Instagram or any other platform that you have authenticated. This way you can easily use Google Authenticator from your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.